Hi, this is Erik Burton, and this is my platform, one of them that I use to earn Bitcoin income on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. Okay, so as we scroll down here, you can see it's my username right here, just so you know. And then we'll scroll down. This is a weekly platform that I use to withdraw weekly. And I do this on every Sunday. And so like last Sunday, I zeroed this account out and come back to this account, and I can see that I've done about $1,363. This is basically all on autopilot. It's not anything less than just residual income, meaning that I had to do a few things in the beginning, especially, and just to slightly maintain it. It's not complete passive income, because you don't want to think passively, because that's more of investment type situations in, say, the stock market. Well, with Bitcoin and with mining and with creating more Bitcoin and earning commissions as well, you can accumulate through a residual process. Okay, so I'm going to show you my withdrawals today. Okay, so you can see that I have 5.5 active Bit Booster devices that earn me Bitcoin daily. Okay, let's go to my wallets. And these are all wallets that are preset to send or withdraw to specific wallets that I have set, especially in the beginning. Okay, so here is my Bitcoin wallet. And $607 this week in BTC alone. So what I'm going to go do is I'm going to click withdraw. I am also going to click down here to the actual address. Once that turns green, then I can max out the account. I always take the total out and send it to my cold storage wallet. I'm going to continue. Then we're going to put in my security here, and I always keep it closed off so you can't see that specifically. And then what we have to do is just an identity request, and it does it to your email. So I will be right back. Okay, we're back. We've got our codes. Let's click continue. And there is the withdrawal submitted. So that withdrawal is going to be processed and go directly to my specific cold storage wallet that I have designated from day one. Okay, and as you can see, it zeroed out that wallet. Let's go to my other wallets, and let's go to my commission wallet here with the USD Tether. It's going to send it in Tron. I also do the same exact thing with this as well, so I can acquire all of these things every week. I do the same thing to the Tron wallet. This is going to my cold storage wallet as well. I max out, and then I'm going to make the same process. As you can see, we've got to the email request again, and I'll be right back for the verification. Okay, we've got our verification code, so let's click on continue. And again, this withdrawal has been submitted. Okay, so let's continue. Let's go to my last wallet that I want to show you. This is my register wallet, and what I normally decide to do with this is that I send it to others in my platform who have signed up under me, who are currently also purchasing boosters and bit boosters. So I try to skim over that and take a look at that consistently, and so I've got quite a bit of money here to be able to send to them in USDT, and then they can use this to purchase more bit boosters so they can gain more income, okay, on a daily and weekly basis. So hopefully that has shown you exactly what I'm doing with one of my Bitcoin purchases. As you can see here, it gives you the current Bitcoin price, and then we also scroll down, and I do this starting with $100 is all I invested in this. And it's been going for almost a year now. And I have direct sales, team sales. I've got 91 direct downlines and and 21 total downlines. That means that this 91 has been signing up people as well to do the same type of process. So if you're interested, click on the link in the description below and you can get started with earnbitcoinhere.com. Have a great day, and I will see you on the next video.